All right, so we had to wait for a plane to go by.
I mean, they're so rude. Planes. Do you mind? I'm trying to talk here. You're making too much noise.
Yeah, we're trying to film.
It's about me.
Palm Springs Airport. Hey.
Right? Exactly.
You should text me and be like, hey, we're going to have a plane take off. No, we're shooting right now. Anyway, what'd you do, Mr. Scott? Oh, look. Look. I want to go here more.
Hair more?
Let me try the other side. Just a kiss. Just a kiss on this side. A kiss on this side, like on the cheek. Mm-hmm. And that one, maybe just kind of poke the tongue in for a second. Ooh, daddy. It's like one click.
One more?
Skosh. Right there. Yeah, that's good. It ain't rolling anywhere.
Doctors. Lovely.
Doctors? Is that your gynecologist, dear?
Sorry, this one I have to take. We're back.
You're done
Hi.
talking to your gynecologist?
Yep, I'm not pregnant.
That's good.
No, that's bad.
Okay.
Because if I'm pregnant, I'm claiming you as the father, and neither one of us are ever going to work a day again in our lives.
Yeah, because that's a miracle.
Well, just like if you believe that story.
Oh my God. Anyway, Scotty Scott. All right, so hold on. Let me get back to this. Give me a little bit, like one click. Okay. Whoa.
Good.
Yeah. One
Good.
more and we're good.
One more.
All right, let's set her down and check it.